I sort of wasted the whole day. It's Sunday 6 p.m. and I haven't done even half of the stuff that I wanted to do today. Of course, how do you save your productivity if not with vlogging? But that wasting thing came with some productivity tips or hacks. So I was watching this podcast and this guy vlogged, Mudan TV, for a whole year, literally 365 or 66 days. His reasoning was that if you want to make better videos, you have to make a lot of them because that's just how you learn. It's one of those things. And that reminded me why I wanted to vlog as well. The issue is that my regular life isn't actually that exciting. I mean, it's exciting for me because I'm living it, but it's not exactly too fun for the viewer because my whole life consists of waking up, going for a walk, playing piano, learning some Japanese, working, then doing all of those things in reverse order, and going to sleep. The thing is, I have two very big projects. One is completely filmed, the other, I've gathered all the data. It's just the filming and editing part that's sort of hard because I know I will struggle because I need to have more skills. But that would require just vlogging, but my life isn't as fun because I'm gathering all the other skills. I have no idea what to do. I mean, sitting on a toilet learning Japanese isn't exactly the most exciting thing that you can show for a person. So I have this dilemma. Oh, so you're the one to fix your whole life today? Okay, Jack. Let's make a list then. At times like this, what I found works really well is actually making a list of all the things that you sort of have to do or want to do, and in general, all the things that are on your mind that one day you might want to do, but it's still buggering you. The reason for that is that essentially you just offload the whole thing from your head, and then in those 2 hours, you can actually just focus on specific things. In theory, you should prioritize, but for me, prioritization never works. It's just more of just offloading all the stuff and seeing it visually. And then you can sometimes figure out that, oh, actually you don't have that much stuff to do, or a single item of that list is like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, so it's sort of whatever. What? He teach walrus to speak. What? Interval of time. Cut by Joe. Well, at least I did half of the list. More than half, in fact. I knew that the whole list is impossible. I guess better luck next time. Tomorrow.